This is a presentation on the PropSava single-phase power optimization system. The PropSava single-phase power optimization system is designed to regulate and stabilize all mains power coming into a property. PropSavas are available in 5, 12, 18, 23, 30, 40 and 60 kVA sizes. They are all controlled by computer to calculate the incoming voltage, determine which silicon controlled rectifier switch should be operated against which coils and transformers in the PropSava to produce a stabilized output voltage of 220 volts on standard setting or on 210 volts AC on optimum setting. I'd like to show you some of the features of the PropSava. To start with, we have the mains master switch here. With this switch in this position, the PropSava is on. The PropSava is usually wired between the electric meter and the distribution board. So all power for the property goes through the PropSava. The master switch is to isolate the PropSava from the output side of the distribution board. We see on the control panel of the PropSava two sets of LED figures. The first figure is the output voltage. When the PropSava is set to regulation, we will see the output voltage shown here. If the PropSava is placed on bypass, manual bypass, then we will see the current incoming mains voltage. The second LED figures provide information on the output kilowatt usage measured in kilowatts. Down here we have the on and bypass switch. In the on position, as we can see now, the on LED is illuminated. The PropSava is regulating. At this moment, however, we have no output power registering because there is no device connected to it at this moment. If I press the bypass button, we'll now see the incoming mains voltage, and this means that the input mains is now directly connected to the distribution board with no regulation of the PropSava. In the event of any failure of the PropSava, or in the event of the PropSava going outside its normal range, which is plus or minus 10% on the input mains voltage and plus or minus 1% on the output voltage. In those events, the bypass will be automatically engaged. We also have a couple of more LED lights. One here shows overload. If the load on the distribution side is greater than the power size of the PropSava, then the system will go into bypass and this overload light will illuminate. Over here we have a green button. This green button here is to produce a lower setting from the standard 220 volt output to 210. So I'm going to place it now on regulation and now press the optimum button, and you can see our top voltage has now come down to 210 volts.